I had a big house, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and being alone, my younger son came down and visited. He says, "Mom, you're rattling around in here." It was just too big. And the responsibility is if something goes wrong, you got to get it fixed. Like the air conditioner went, so I had to put in a new air conditioner, new water heater. If anything happens here, I call maintenance, and they come with a smile. I moved in here 2 months ago. Like it very much. Met lovely people. The staff, I can't say enough about the staff. They're wonderful. When I first heard the cost, I thought, oh, well, So anyway, I'll have to sell the house. My son said, don't worry about it, it's fine. And what I did was to take all my expenses for the month, and put those down on a piece of paper. And then I added up taxes and property tax and insurances. And I said, oh, wow, it's about the same. Maybe a fraction more, but it's such a small, compared to what my expenses were before, I'm doing okay. I'm glad everything is included. I like only one bill a month rather than several. I could still be there and rattling around in the big house with all those responsibilities. Now I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. This was a good decision. Very pleased with it.